Hello, my name is Rashidat Adike. I want to show you how you can create forms for feedback from your customers, or if you want to get their details for whatever reason, or you want to get their testimonials. You can create a Google form and share with your customers. So here goes. You download Google Form from your Play Store. Forms app is what it is called on phone. Forms app for Google Forms. So you find it and download and you open it. So this is it. You tap on Google Forms and you choose the email you want to create the forms on. In this instance, in this situation, I want to use my business. I want to create a know my customer form for my clients. So I'll click on allow and it's fetching the forms now for me to create. You can use a pre designed template, or you can create yours from the scratch. So I'm going to tap on this plus sign and you see there are templates, or I can choose a blank form. I can create a blank form. Let's see what the templates look like. You see there are different types: gather customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, all of that. But I want to create mine, so I'm going to tap on create blank form. So tap on this to choose the type of questions you want. Do you want short answers? You want long answers? You want multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, and all of that. So here for the first one, I want to choose short answer. I want to ask for their name. What is your name? And I'm going to tap on this. I'll swipe here so that it will be required. This means they will not be able to go to the next question without, or they won't be able to submit without filling this. And your name requires a short answer. It's not supposed to be long. So I'm going to tap on the next. I'll tap on plus again, the plus sign here, to add more. So I'll ask let me change it to, yes, let me change it to a long answer here, in case the person has, what is your email address? Here again, I'll make it required and I'll go to the next one. I'll add, so here I want to use check boxes in this instance. What were the accessories you bought from us? So I want to add an option jewelry set, add another option, long necklace. I'll add another option, bangles, earrings, anklet. Basically whatever it is I'm selling, because I want to know what precisely that person bought. Now the person can choose multiple, tick multiple boxes, or tick one box depending on what the person bought. What else? Rings. I'll just stop here. So that's all. I'll choose on required. I'll swipe on required and go to the next. So I want a long answer now. What was the experience like? What was the experience like for you? I'll make it a long answer so they can choose to and I'll add more. It's supposed to be a long answer again. Will you or kindly suggest where you think we can get better? And I'll tap on required as well. What else do I need? Yeah, the next one, I want to use multiple choice. So here I'll say, will you be willing, will you refer us to your circle of friends and family? So multiple, yes. Add one more, no. Add another one, maybe. And I'll make it required. So you see, if that's all I need, all the information I need from my customer, I'll now tap on submit. But before then, I am yet to add a title. I'm yet to add a title for the form. So I want to add a title, customer feedback form. Hello, we will appreciate if you can fill this form to help us get better. Thank you. Yes, be sure that your information is safe with us. Thank you. Where's the information is safe with us? So I'm going to tap on submit now. So you see, what are the things I want the form to do for me? I want it to collect email addresses. I want it to limit it to one response, which means I don't want the person to do it twice. Once you submit, it's okay. Allow responders to edit the form. Yes, they can edit the form. Allow responders to view their summary. Yes, they can view the summary. So I'll tap on submit.
It's really easy to get into the games. It's fun. It's simple. I feel like I'm taking like a mental multivitamin.
So it's creating the form now, and that's all. It has given me the link that I can copy and share with my audience. So all I'm going to do now is copy the link. So I'll tap on copy, and then I can send it via WhatsApp or via email or via Facebook. I can drop it on my Facebook page and ask people to please click on it and drop their feedback for me. So that's all about creating forms. This is you using your phone to create Google Forms. I'm going to show you how to do that on your system in another one. Okay, so when people enter their responses, when you send out the link, either by putting it on your link tree or sharing the link with your customers individually or on your social media pages, you will see the responses when you go to the Google Forms. This is the first screen you will see, and you'll see how many people have responded to that particular form. So you tap on it, you tap on the form. This was something I did. I think I need to announce it formally on my page. I did it in January, but I never got serious with it. So you now tap on view responses. Can you see here? You see the responses from the people. View responses. So you tap on view responses. These are the responses from people. These were the questions I sent to them and all of. So you can now tap on individual to see individual responses. Can you see them? These were the people who sent in their responses. These were the questions. Can you see? So if I want to export this so that I can make use of their email addresses to send them email, I will tap on export. And I can use a Google Sheet. Google Sheet is also like what's the name? Microsoft Excel. So I'll use a Google Sheet to export it. Let's see. So I can choose the email I want the Google Sheet on, and it will open it for me. It's opening it on Google Drive now. So I'll be able to see all my replies, responses from people, and then make use of it. Can you see the Microsoft Excel is opening? In Google is called Google Worksheet. Can you see? So it has saved it for me on my Microsoft or my Google Worksheet. I can choose to now share it with whoever I want to share it with, or download it. So I'm downloading it to keep for keeps. And that is all about how you can use Google Forms, how you can create Google Forms and use it to collect feedback, testimonials from your customers. I hope you find this helpful. Stay blessed.